Okay, I'm just going to show you how to pair your mobile to the Bluetooth device in this Mercedes Benz C Class. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Then on this little handpiece here, we click the star. Then using the thumb wheel, go to telephone, click the center to select. And you've got at the top there, search for phones, search via telephone. So search for phones. Before starting the search, ensure that your phone is switched on, Bluetooth is activated and your device is visible. Start search. So yep, all that's. It's got Barry's iPhone 10. Select that, click on it. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Does 029564 match the passkey? Yes. Connecting profiles. I don't want it to allow my contacts and favorites to sync, but you would if you were using the vehicle. And that's it. That's it paired and done.